Alright guys, so we're here at the rainforest. One thing that you need to keep a note of for now, and I think for the next couple of years, is that most of the rainforest is actually closed due to the two hurricanes that hit here back in September, October timeframe of last year. So I think this is as far as we can go to see this Cocos Falls. And there's another place we could go to, or two other spots we can go to, but that's about it. That it's closed. I mean, the hurricanes really did a number on this rainforest, and according to the ranger, it's gonna take a good 2 years to recover and fix
2 years.
Fix the roads, and the roads that the landslides damaged, where people can't get around. So for now, this is the most we get out of this rainforest, which is beautiful still. Don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining. I'm glad I'm able to be in a rainforest and bring my kids here to see this forest. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy it with the footage we're doing. Alright folks, so you can't come here without taking water. This is one of the best filtered water in the planet. This is better than the juice or rain.
Are you seriously gonna drink it?
So,
It's clean. Look how clear it is in the bottle.
look at how clear it is. Salud. Good stuff, man.
We're letting you a waterfall. No.
Get it? Waterfall. This is freaking delicious, man. Good pretty much good.
It tastes like regular filtered water.
I don't like water, man. Alright folks, so we're here at the Yunque Tower. It's a nice little tower that you can go up the stairs and see the whole 360 degrees from this area. But here's the view from the bottom. You can see all the shoreline. Some hotels over there. The lighthouse all the way at the distance. Not sure if you see that. And then here, as we get closer to the tower, that's where you guys can climb up there and take some nice beautiful pictures from up there. You can see the mountains, you can see the shore. Very beautiful views, unobstructed. And if you're lucky, you could even catch a hawk flying around somewhere. So this is it, the observation point, Yunque Tower. It's a short elevation of 1,500 feet, which is not bad. Alright guys, we're back into the rainforest. Guys, turn around, say hi. I know you're getting tired of me doing this, but I don't care. It's a short 0.4 mile hike. Should take no more than 10 minutes to get there. Anyway, we're doing this quick hike, and then we're gonna head back out to stop at another water hole. Maybe we could get in the water there real quick. Anyway, this is it. Rainforest, hiking in the rainforest. You could hear the cookies. My son's, he's alright? Yeah, tired, hungry?
Hungry?
Want to get some grub after this or what?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Yeah? You guys gonna go tackle the zip lining?
I'm good on zip lining.
Huh?
I'm good on zip lining.
You good?
No, I'm not going to.
Yeah, no, I'll do this again?
I do.
You do?
Yes.
Sounds good then.
Alright, if you cut me off one time, I'm just gonna.
What?
That's it.
Having fun here at the rainforest, guys. It's really nice actually. Actually, we didn't even put on sunblock, which is a big mistake. I left my hat in the car because this sun burns you up. Did he take off? You too? Careful, man. You fall down. You're gonna get all scraped up.
Be careful, your shoes are right now.
Say hi, guys. That was quick.
This is the end.
This is the end of it. I know.
Dude, where were those people swimming?
I don't know. I guess you could keep going on the trail. I'm not sure.
It's like a warning in the country.
It seems that there was like a bridge here, guys. Look at.
There was, but it got stuck.
So yeah, so I guess there was a bridge here. Sorry, got a little distracted over here by these two goofballs. I think yeah, there was a bridge. You could see the landings of it, and must have washed out with the storm. You know, there's a trail that's closed there. I'm not sure. I mean, it was closed at one point, but not sure how far that goes. We're gonna be adventurous right now. Just gonna hike up there a little bit. It is down. I'm not sure. There's no other signs posted what not to do. So we're gonna go in there. All right. So we did a quick run to the other side of that where that bridge was washed off, and this is it. This is the Angelito trailhead or trail end, where a lot of people are just here swimming, having a good time. It's just nice. You could bring your some water, some drinks, and you can spend a good portion of your day here. Some people swinging, a big old rope over there. It's nice. You gonna go in there, dude? You have extra shorts in the car, don't you?
Yeah.
I'll go in there then. People just chilling, walking, having a nice time. People drinking their Medalla beer. I mean, it's just amazing. Nice. Alright guys, so here we are again at this Angelito trail, and this is what you would do. You just come out here and just chill. Go underwater, refresh yourself, just chill, listen to the water. That's what people do out here.
Good job, Alexa. Look at you.
Keep up the good work, champ.
She didn't. Go ahead. Oh! He's going. Ha ha ha!